Here's a 2018 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Smart device navigation, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above-average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.